Beautiful. That's an easy start now. Okay, let's get it. Okay, so moondot.com/arena. What do I want to do here? I want to do something cool, but I don't know if that's. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Leaderboard here. Is it cooked? It's cooked. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? We'll see. You still locked? I'm still locked. Let's go ahead and SSH in there. Moon dash SU dash moon dash. See thing. Yes, I trust. Moondev.com/arena/leaderboard. It looks like both the 1 hour and the 5-minute show no active competitions, but I know that's not true. Can you go ahead and fix it? Thank you, dude. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So she's back. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Life is perfect. I see you, Johnny, up there with the tea thing. The 1 hour smoking everybody. We got a new winner here 11 minutes ago. Refresh. It's like it was down or something. It's gonna happen. Beta, 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 beta. Electron. Oh, okay. So there we go. I think I should get SSH in here as well. What's this? Copy trader, polymarket bots, polymarket bots. Okay. So I got the arena going on here, and I want to build some cool things. I want to build the execution layer too. So let's just go ahead and start building it. Okay, let's go over to cursor. No. Let's go to Moondive trading bots. Yes. Oh, I'm on there, silly guy. Tricks are for kids. Tricks are for kids. Tricks are for kids. Tricks are for kids. Bring it on over here and then say C thing. C thing could be anything. C thing, you can be anything. Okay, so let's go ahead here and say I've got a slash arena, or I got a arena folder. Can you see how those backtests are made? Specifically the most recent ones. Also, go ahead and check out this website so you can make sure um, they're not backtests. They're live models. They're predictor models. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and build this out in order to look at the newest updated docs here. Delete the 10 that we have, the 10 models we have, and based off the newest docs here, go ahead and build 5 new models in that slash or in that arena folder. These will act as our newest version of our 5 models that I will then go ahead and attempt to submit. But you have to be very, very particular here with the documentation I'm sending you, because these models need to be precise and predict just like how the docs say. So, or else they're going to get denied. Okay, thank you. That's step 1. Step 1 is that. So I want 5 models. I haven't submitted any models to the arena, so I don't want to smoke you guys like that, but I do got to do some beta testing here and there. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Oh my god, dude! If you rewind to yesterday, I said there was a sure bet. I put 300 down on a sure bet. A sure bet. Oh my god, I was laughing so hard last night. I had a sure bet. I tried to go full port into that sure bet, and I lost the sure bet. Oh my god, that's so funny. There is some drama around it, so there's still a chance. But you know, I hope that's a good illustration why you shouldn't trade by hand. Shouldn't trade by hand. I can't trade by hand. I know that. That's why I'm here. I sure bet. I'm just laughing because if you were here, you heard me. You're like, and you saw it. You're like, I said, this is a sure bet. There's zero chance they're getting a ceasefire before today. And I was just straight wrong. I was just straight wrong. I tried to go full port. I tried to full port it, but I don't know what happened there, why I wasn't able to full port it. But, you know, part of the game. Part of the game, and we back. Another day. Another day, another dollar. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Drop the API key when you can. There is no API key, gang. Sorry, GK. Kelly with another dub, huh? Kelly with another dub. Good for you, bro. Another one bites the dust. Yes, sir. Good morning, useless. Good morning, Z. How are you? When I try to log in, it shows. Okay, perfect. Can't see the leaderboard over here. Perfect, perfect. So, Pop, what's up, dude? How are you? 777. Jim, Vince, Jim. Jim. I was right there until I couldn't see the leaderboard anymore. Need to create more adaptable and stable models. Actually, one of the free strats of the Nexus BT systems in the repo. So she's still working on it. She's working on both. I got 2 Claude codes going here. 2 Claude codes cooking here. One's trying to fix the arena, first off. So if it looks a little weird, she's working on it for 7 minutes now. And then I got Shorty building a couple here. Bonnie Joe, no need to send a DM, but thank you for coming through, bro. He says, first time here. What would be covering as part of this Zoom? Would you be able to give an overview? By the way, awesome channel. Yeah, this is the overview here, really. So if you joined, this is what you get here today. Moondev.com. What happens when you look over a quant's shoulder, 3 hours, no script, find out what happens. So that's kind of what you're here for. So Much love to you. I'm just gonna be building things that I need in order to chase my boy Jim Simons, 31 billion. Much love to you. 777, dude. 777. I also want to start looking into a couple other things. I want to go to the polymarket bots, okay? Can you look at my folder of the 5-minute bots? I want to think about building some neural networks. Talk to me a bit about this. I know it's like black box. I've definitely explored them before. And this NN would be essentially predicting the 5-minute up or down. Not the price, because that's a harder problem to solve. But a neural network that just predicts if price up or down, that would be awesome. Thank you. Give me some ideas here. Let's talk about it. Okay, thank you. Let's talk about it. Let's be about it. Let's talk about it. Then let's be about it. All under 500 kilobytes. Okay, deleted all 10 old models. Now we got tick momentum. We got liquidation imbalance. We got position pressure, volatility breakout, key things. Okay, let's see if these work though. Before I give you too much hype, code dot, code dot, k dot, code dot, k dot, code dot, k dot. Let's go ahead and have the or Mo's go. Okay, let's go here and say Moondive Arena. Okay, imbalance. Let's go ahead and see if I can get one of these bad boys up on the thing without getting denied. Moondive Live, moondive.com/arena. Okay, so this is the arena. If you don't know already, you can win $17.95 Moondive credit or like a $50-ish NFT. Do whatever you want with that NFT. You can read everything about it here. Yeah, so you're just predicting price up or down. I just built a couple models with Claude Code. You saw how easy that was because I sent her the documentation. She gets the documentation. She knows exactly what to build. Now, put in your ideas. And then we can all step on the gas. We can all step on the gas together, okay? So let me go ahead and do this now. Let's say leaderboard, submit, submit. Okay, let's see. See if I can submit it, dude. Paste it in there. What's up, baby girl? We locking in today, shorty, every day. You know that. What is that beeping? What is the beeping, bro? Okay, Lick Surge has been accepted by AI reviewer. Perfect. Okay, so now I want you to go to step 2 of this project. All right, perfect. So I wanted you to build this and so you can make an execution folder now inside of that arena folder. This execution folder will look at my Hyperliquid setup. So this will essentially, the goal here is to be able to execute those models on Hyperliquid. So you take the nice funcs file here and from the Hyperliquid folder, and it has pretty much all the functionalities. You can see the MMO2, you know, we have things that are in there that will essentially make it so it's a robust bot. Essentially what you're taking is that model that I just created and keep it as maybe an import file. I want you to build this template, this execution template, right? So you can see my other bots in the Hyperliquid folder, but now we have this execution template, and this will be very easy and walkable through for others that are using my GitHub. They have not only do they have the templates to make they could join the arena by looking at the docs and whatever. But if one of their models does well, they have all of the template code that will allow them to build a bot off of it. Now, the key things that we got to make sure to look at, like MMO2, for like the risk controls, make sure those are implemented. The strategy is really just pulling um that predictive signal, right? I mean, there might be a little bit more than that in reality, because really what it's doing is predicting the 5 minute or the 1 hour, predicting. You're gonna have to decide, is it just a 1 hour model or a 5 minute model first off. But other things like entering, it would enter on limit and loop until it's entered, or you could change it to market. So those are kind of configurable things that we would need in this template. We would only want to make sure to enter a position if we're not already in a position and the signal went off. Got to make sure to cancel all orders before opening them. Got to make sure the decimal adjustments are correct for the size and the price. Got to make sure that we have our risk controls, meaning our P&L close going. We want to make sure that there's a while loop, just like the MMO2 at the bottom, so it's running at all times. We want to launch with tiny size, so the size will be configurable at the top. By default, it'll be $10. So these type of things, you can look at my Hyperliquid folder, and you can see I have all of that built out because I got that MMO2 and plenty of other bots over there that you can really just bring into this folder. And I want this to be a standalone folder, so it'll be an execution folder within the arena folder, and then it's essentially going to have this new nice funks, or all the functions that we need from the nice funks, and then the template in order to put in, for example, if I launch 15 different models and I see one of them does really well, I might want to go ahead and build an execution of that, a bot. So yeah, go ahead and handle that project, shorty. Thank you. All right, so cooking, per usual. Okay, we got some good ideas up there. Now, what happened over here? The new build is live with retry logic. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Keys, sir, there's no keys. There's no keys. There's no keys. Keys are cooked. Keys are cooked. Keys are cooked. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and make sure they're really cooked. Keys are cooked. Keys are gone. Keys are bad. Keys are gone. SSHHL node. So I removed the whole keys thing. Once the kids are back in school, my father-in-law is gone. Can get some proper work done. Father-in-law yapping your ear off or what, buddy? I felt the same way. I've been with family and friends for the last month, dude. So I feel like I'm finally back, and I get to get into my own little like autistic vision of the future. I love, love, love seeing friends and family. I do. It's just they're not thinking like you and I, dude. They're not thinking like you and I. So I got to get back into my deep zone. You know what I mean? Just don't think the same. Might be from the same place, but we ain't the same. Definitely not thinking the same. Much love to them. Much love to you. But whatever's in your mind's eye, that's what you got to go do. That's what you got to go do, dude. That's what you got to go do. Okay, let's go ahead and cook those keys for forever, dude. Let's just make it final. All right, so usually I rotate these keys, but we have this other key that we launched yesterday, and it's ending in 0BB. It's active. I need you to deactivate that key and send me a new one. Little bug report. Thank you, dude. Thank you, dude. Let me go ahead and check it out. Claim your little bug report in the arena. I got this screen that says Apu. Oh, thank you, dude. Also, it looks like we got a bit of a bug. Warshawski won the $50 Apu, but it's sending him to claim the 1795. Remember, there should be two different claim pages, one for the $50 NFT and one for the 1795 weekly. Thank you. New stream key here. I got it. Keep that one to myself today. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. Get that fixed ASAP. Rocky. Gotta catch them all. Let's get it. I'll Puma. Love it, bro. Okay, look at this. We already got the execution layer. Execution nice function, the README set up for GitHub users. Okay. Import your arena as a module. Just model file at the top. Point at whatever is correct. Collects live BTC ticks every 60 seconds. Keeps a 4-hour buffer. Now talk to me how it gets those ticks, because Moondev API is able to get those ticks. So let's make sure that that is integrated there to get the ticks. Here's the documentation for how to get those. Now talk to me real quick about how it gets the ticks. Let's use Moondev API in order to get those ticks. Yo, Warshawski, bro. Does it work now? Moondev.com/docs. It says it's done. Previously, it was keying off whichever tab the user had selected. So the 5-minute winner, viewing a leaderboard at 1-hour tab. GK, no API key. No API key. We cooked that. It's over. I answered that like 18 times today. This is the page. This is the page to join. So what happens when you look over a quant's shoulder, 3 hours, no script? Find out what happens. Get the replay of this stream and yesterday's stream. Replay, $5 to find out. Can I get a replay? Yeah, you can get a replay. Nice, dude. Got the screen now. Perfect, bro. Nice, bro. Nice. I added some new ones to my collection yesterday because I have to. I have to, dude. At the end of the day, if I keep giving these out, I'm not going to give out all of my Apus. But if you guys keep winning, I got to add some to my collection. So I did a little sweeper. I did a sweeper action. How can I access moondev.com/roadmap? Yeah, you can get the Easter special that's going on now. There's no subscription. It's lifetime, all access, never pay me again. I got 2 products I sell. The lives for $5 and this for everything. Lifetime, all access, closes in 2 days. The discount does at least $300 off. Feel free. You get the API key that unlocks all of these bonuses around my whole sphere. I just want to give you one place. You can get everything, make it super simple. Super duper simple to get started. That's moondev.com/Easter. But Easter's over now, fam. Easter is closing. That's where you get it. No subscription because subscriptions are annoying. All right. So this is great. We're cooking thus far. Okay, so she's still looking at the docs, making sure that she's gonna do them correctly. Nice. Perfect. Now she knows how to set it up. Beautiful. Great. The docs API has everything we need to feed the arena models, the real data instead of just self-collected ticks. I'm still gonna drop some resources here. You can have some resources. Save those. Okay, she's still working on it. Done. The claim link is fixed. Moondev, you've already built a lot here. Let me break down where you are. The neural net fits in. Well, you have already the ML 5 minute. You've trained 9 models: XG Boost, Light GBM, Tab, Net, a temporal CNN, and a stacking ensemble. You've also got a killer feature engineering your V2 features, decisions, not raw values. Andrew Ningsdahl, with 140 megabytes of engineered features already built. So you're not starting from scratch. The question is, what can a neural network do your existing models can't? The case for a neural net binary up down classifier. You're right that predicting direction is easier than predicting price. This becomes a binary classification problem, and networks can shine here in ways your tree models can't. Sequence awareness. Your trees can't do this well. Your XG Boost models see a flat row of features. A neural net LSTM GRU or transformer sees the sequence of the last n candles as a time series. It can learn patterns like 3 green candles with declining volume followed by a wick rejection, reversal incoming without you having to manually encode that. Feature interaction discovery. Your V2 features manually create interaction, bullish low, volume, pressure, align, bull, etc. A neural network with hidden layers discovers these automatically, including interactions. You'd never have to engineer. Non-linear decision boundaries. Trees split on single features. Neural nets learn smooth, non-linear decisions surfaces across the entire feature space simultaneously. 3 neural net architectures worth building: the LSTM, GRU, binary classifier is the simplest. Start here. Transformer encoder. I want you to build all 3. So I want you to launch 3 agents and build all 3 of those neural nets that you suggested here, and then compare the results against them all. Now you have moondev.com/docs, and you can get a bunch of data there, tick data specifically, and make your own 5-minute columns. The starting price of the 5-minute is the price to beat, and we're betting up or down. You can also look at how we got data for the other ones, but essentially run these 3 and then compare them and put this in a subfolder called NNs in the ML 5-minute. Thank you. All right, let's cook, bro. Let's cook. Why are you not sharing the API today? I told you guys from the start that was just a little intro bonus. So it's been like, I don't know, it's been since January. I've been giving out the API key just for free. But I've told you from the start that was just a beta bonus. But I feel like the MoonDev API is robust enough to call it not a beta anymore. And since it's not a beta anymore, I'm not just gonna give it for free. But moondev.com/docs will explain everything for you if you'd like. And you have my email above for any support questions. There's always a 100% money back guarantee. If you're just here for the API key and you want to leave my life forever, I will open the doors for that. Always 90 full days to get your money back. But yeah, it's a lot of toll on my focus as well. Just like API key, API key, API key, API key. So I'm just dropping the API key all day. It's net, it's fun. I'm glad I was able to give it to you guys for free for like 3 months. But yeah, it's not a good workflow for me. So on top of that, like this is crazy data. You literally get data that nobody else has. You literally get data a few seconds before other hyperliquid traders. I told you it wasn't gonna be free forever. I started this year saying it's wartime, and then we actually went to war. So am I trendsetter or what? Lock in, gang. If you want the key for life, you got your opportunity. moondav.com/Easter. That discount is going away soon, and this gives you lifetime access to that API key. Much love to you. Thank you for coming through. Okay, let's see her cookie. Okay, what's she doing? She's got 3 local agents. Beautiful. All 3 agents are running in parallel right now. LSTM, binary classifier. Okay. Transformer encoder. 4 attention has. Okay. Hybrid LSTM plus XG boost. Okay. All 3 POTIC data. Fall back to 200. Build the 5-minute model. Okay. So, yo, what's up, home? How hang? How you doing, bruh? 777. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Don't be greedy now, Shy. Don't play with me now. I haven't checked out Iran April. Have you checked the Iran April? Yeah, I got smoked. Were you here yesterday, dude? Because I was laughing about that last night. I was just because I remember literally saying, "Oh, this is a sure thing." Not there's this is a no brain. I tried to full port that. I tried to full port it, and I know there's some controversy, whatever, but that's just cope. That's just cope, dude. I literally tried to full port it. That's so funny. It's a sure thing, dude. I can't believe I said that live. I have no doubt in my mind. They're not gonna figure this out by tomorrow. There's no way. Now, did they actually? That's the debatable part, but I feel like that's just cope. I feel like that is just cope. Oh, dude, was that you who said, why does it keep going up yesterday? Because I feel like that was okay. It's actually a really good idea, dude. So you called that out, right? And if we really truly looked into what you said about it ticking up, well, remember, Polymarket is pulling inside information out of people. So if me personally, I wasn't cooked, I would have seen what you said, looked into it, and been like, oh shit, this is ticking up. What does that mean for oil? Well, if it's ticking up, that means somebody on the inside knows. Well, again, the hindsight is 2020. Somebody on the inside knows that they're about to make a deal. Boom, perfect. What's going to happen to oil? You could trade oil off that. I don't know. So maybe there's opportunities there on Polymarket that will give us insights to what's going to happen in the real market. For example, days like yesterday. It's like it kind of pulled out insiders because that shit started ticking up, and you saw that what eight? That was like 6 to 8 hours. Just live chat and replay access. Exactly. GK. What is this, bro? Is this from yesterday? Is this from today, or I don't think it should show that anymore. Yo, app, bro. Hey, Greedy, I just gave you so much. Don't be greedy. Now you gonna go try to be greedy, girl. Oh my goodness, she is so cute. GK, be honest with me, bro. Is this from the one you purchased 3 days ago, or what? It's GK. You don't want smoke, bro. You don't want smoke. No way. Let me go check it out, dude. Let me go check it out because that shouldn't be that. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. So that was the day before. That was for yesterday. Show me the whole screen. Show me the whole screen with the date. Show me the whole screen with the date. Please, please, please. I think you're just fucking trolling right now, Loki. Mid key. Okay, so it ends in C2. Take the link. That's not the link, though. Yesterday's link is something different. That's the problem. But let me check it out. Let me check it out. Come on, bro. Lock the fuck in, dude. You're trolling at this point, dude. What date does that say? April 7th. Bruh, you're trolling. Bruh. Bruh, you're trolling. Bro, you're trolling, dude. You're trolling right now. Yeah, April 7th replay. Why you trolling, bro? Okay. Because this is a ticket for yesterday's stream. Okay, so does it not make sense? Does that not make sense? Like yesterday, there was a stream and you joined it. and there was a bonus. You purchase a yearly subscription. I don't have a yearly subscription, so I'm done talking to you. Please go get a refund at moon@algotradecamp.com because I don't have a yearly subscription. This says April 7th, Tuesday, April 7th replay because you joined a Zoom for yesterday, April 7th, and that had a bonus of an API key. You came in here yesterday, I gave you the API key. Done deal, $5. Boom. Sweet, capuche. Don't need to fuck with you no anymore. You don't need to fuck with me. Boom, boom, 5-5. You say you bought a yearly subscription. I don't have one of those, but I'm assuming you bought a lifetime subscription to the Zooms. Okay. So you're here today and you're sending me a ticket of yesterday. So you sent me a ticket of yesterday. You're here today, meaning that you got your lifetime fulfillment. So you're here again. I'm here to answer any questions you got, but you said API key 42 times. I've answered that 300 times. Yeah, I bought these bonuses. Well, okay. Yeah. So just go get your money back if you thought you were going to get the bonuses. It didn't say anything about the bonuses. It didn't say you're getting a lifetime of API keys. Like, come on, gang. Lock in. Cooked. Get your money back. Get up out of here. I got the money back guarantee for me, fam. I swear to God. It's for me just as much as it's for you. Like, if I'm going to have a 90-day money back guarantee, I'm going to be very gracious about it and not ask any questions. It's 90 full days, but I use it as a tool as well because I'm chasing Jim Simons and I spend like a lot of time dropping API keys and shit. Like, I'm not doing that anymore. Fuck that. This is war, dude. This is war. I don't want to be around everybody. I was just telling you that I'm around my friends and family. Like, okay, I had enough of them, so I'm trying to get locked in. I'm not trying to be around people that don't read. Like, if you don't read, can't read the motherfucking page, then I'm just gonna offer you a refund. Next step, I'm gonna force the refund. So kick it if you like, GK. But if you don't like it, then get ghost. It's okay. Much love to you. You have to create your own environment. You have to. Viciously. You don't have to take every customer, client, whatever. I know everybody that runs a small business feels that way, but that's why it's a small business. Now, I know having a $5 product opens the motherfucking floodgates to all types of motherfuckers in my world. It makes me nervous. It makes me nervous. I got it makes me nervous, Ingrid. No more keys. No more keys. Keys are cooked. Keys are cooked. Much love to you. 777. The Easter sale is still going on if you want a lifetime access to the keys. All right, let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing. Check out the new landing page here to see what you get when you come here. What happens when you look over a quant's shoulder? 3 hours, no script. Find out what happens. Get roasted in the chat by Moondive for 45 minutes. Can I get a replay? Of course. Oh, good. Moondive, here's what changed. Before, the executor was self-collecting ticks every 60 seconds. So slow ramp. Nice. Now, each prediction calls 4 Moondive API endpoints. There we go. Each response get mapped to the API. Just need the Moondive API key alongside with your Hyperliquid key. How they doing? They're still going, huh? How are they going? I'm over here trying to catch up with Moon Boy. GK trying to scam. Send me the receipt for yesterday's ticky. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All 3 models are running. Okay. Cranking. Why I'm tripping like that? Because you asked me like 14 times and I answered 14 times. So it's just like, can you not hear me? You can hear me clearly. You asked me 14. I'm gonna answer 14 times, and then I'm gonna start roasting you. And then you sent me yesterday's ticket saying, "Bro, it says it right here." Lock in, gang. Answered it. Answered it. Answered it. Answered it. I believe you, bro. I believe you. Respectfully, please, just let's handle like billing stuff on email. I'm talking nonsense. Okay, well, I'm not gonna talk to you anymore, bro. This is like the whole point of the Zoom, to get away from this type of stuff. I'm just trying to lock. Just try to lock, gang. But let's get you up out of here, bro. I'm a phone. Just send me your email or whatever. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Much love to you. 777. So here's what changed. Before, the executor was self-collecting ticks every 60 seconds, which was slow. Each prediction cycle calls 4 MoonDev API endpoints, gets the full arena data package. And I already have my API keys in here. Can you make sure that executor has ample prints of exactly what's happening, but make sure that it's not printing any addresses or API keys? Thank you. Use a little bit of term color as well, so things look nice. Yeah, no API key today. The free trial is over. It was fun though. It was fun. It was a good free trial. It was a good free trial. Good free trial. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's some resources for you. Dun, dun. So we're still bashing up here, 3 models running. That's why my computer might be a little, I don't know. Is it choppy? Dun, dun. I wanted you some. I wanted you to use term color to have some colors in here. Make it fun. What's up, baby girl? Good. These motherfuckers is loud, huh? They loud, aren't they? They are loud, loud, loud. They are loud, loud, loud. They are loud, loud, loud. So we're cooking over here on the left side. Hmm. GM 777 Bliss, how are you? All right, here we go. So swap the color to Colorama's 4 style. Way more fun now. Okay, let's see how fun it is. Let's see how fun it really is. Code dot. I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you. Just grateful to be here. Another day. Another day to attack the hardest thing on my list. Let's see how it does. Okay, so you can see here Moondaz Arena Model Executor on Hyperliquid. GM, Kate. GM. Okay, okay. So we got some errors here. I do get an error here. Also, can you fix that? And then also, can you go ahead and talk to me a bit about how we are picking if this is a 5 minute trader or a 1 hour? As you can see, though, yeah. Talk to me about the time frames here. Is this a time frame thing that we can change up top? Because assuming that we're just calling our model, theoretically it could be any time frame, right? So yeah, maybe make that as a note, like hashed out, and then we can put all the time frames that we do want in there whenever we want to run it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So Root. Been so busy with Polymarket, loving it. I'm working on a little bit of Polymarket, a little bit of Arena here. What are you building on Poly, Jane? Mm, hmm. Nice, a sports one. New bots, weather bots. Nice. Weather bots are sick. Do I have a bug bounty? I don't have a bug bounty, but I'm pretty sure I give you 1800 in credits. So if you want to share it, feel free. If not, that's cool too. That's cool too, bruh. Pretty sure I gave you $1,800 of credit and 2-3 years of 2-3 years of fire. But if you need some cash for it, I get it. I'll get it. Let me go ahead and see what you talking about. Um, that's it. I'm going on pen test. So like I'm allowed to pen test? I don't know, dude. I didn't know that was a thing. I didn't know that was a thing. Like you have to ask permission to pen test. What is the culture here around pen testing? Somebody just asked me if they can pen test, and I'm like, what do you mean? I thought you could just do anything on a website. Somebody came to me that's been around for about like 2-3 years, asking questions like damn near every day, and I gave him $1,800 credit, and he just asked me if I had a bug bounty so I could pay him. Respect the hustle. Dev no life ain't never gonna change. But yeah, what's the culture behind that? Also, he says that anyone can access the roadmap from moondev.com without an API key, super easy. So can you go ahead and fix that? I've actually heard that from another person as well. So maybe we'll just go ahead and fix that, but also answer the question about pen testing. Like it's dope that he asked, but there's nothing I can really do to not to stop somebody from pen testing, right? What the fuck is pen testing? Just testing? It's testing with a ballpoint? Thank you for flagging that, Root. Appreciate you. Dude, there are so many weaknesses. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Let me fix it now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. On pen testing culture, pen testing without permission is technically illegal. Oh, interesting. In the US, regardless of intent, the standard is you always ask first. So the fact that he asked is actually the correct move. Most responsible security researchers do exactly that before poking around. That said, you're right. You can't really stop someone from probing a public website. Anyone can do it with DevTools. Inspect network requests, try different URLs. The line is passive recon. Viewing page source, reading public APIs. What he did, noticing the roadmap has no auth, falls squarely in the first category. Yeah, it is built mostly on that. So I'm sure there's plenty of weaknesses. Sure, there are plenty. I need to think through if any of them actually matter. What's the arena one? No way. Thank you. And on the slash arena, you can access anyone's account, he says. So let's go ahead and fix that one as that is pretty big as well. Appreciate you, bro. He says it's made by some code pasted to the console on dev tools. You should specify that. Yeah, it's I mean, it's really a game of where you want to put your energy. I think for the arena, it's worth fixing. Roadmap, I've been aware of that for quite some time. It's definitely like, yeah, it's like, where do you want to put your time? Do I want to make my website extremely secure when there's not much on the website? There's fire stuff content wise, but if you're gonna hack it and like get past the wall, like okay, it's not like we put API keys or anything like that. Nice, dude. What's up, Dixie? So the tick data from MoonDev API already comes in that data. Okay. Added a big comment block. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out. That's okay. They can do that. It's an app you can download. You can do whatever you want to it. But again, I think it's about like, I think success is about focusing on the correct things and picking which ones not to focus on. And that's just my decision here. All the whale addresses are there. It's okay. Does that affect me getting to $31 billion? Is the question I ask. You can nerd out on security stuff forever. I could spend all day like making my shit so robust, so strong. I appreciate you sharing this with me. I do. I mean, what I'd appreciate even more is if you just shot me an email with the things and, you know, just was like, yo, Moondive, I figured out this, and this. Take a look. I mean, that's the only like anti thing I have against pen testers and like security heads is like, come up in here. I see it all the time. I see it all the time. It's like Moondev, this is not secure, or Moondev, you gotta fix this. It's you're about to get hacked, or yeah, it's like you just want to chat. Like if you just want to chat, let's chat. Let's chat. But if you want to be true value, write that shit in something nice and concise and send it to the email. Much love to you, 777. Yeah, I understand that, Jane. I understand that. But it takes away from the actual thing that I'm working on. I don't give a fuck about my website. So like going down the Cloudflare route, we did it. We don't gotta go back. We did it. We did it. We did it. It's all good, man. I know you got good intentions. I know everybody does have good intentions. Everybody's just trying to help, and I appreciate that. I'm grateful to be in this position where I got all the eyes on me. But help me get to 31 Bs, bro. Help me get to 31 Bs. How about that? Help me with the upside. Help me with the upside. Help me with the motherfucking upside. 31 billion. 31 what? See, you're not even locked. Help me with the upside. I don't give a fuck about my website. I don't give a fuck about motherfucking securing my motherfucking whale list. But hey, if you do see me drop an API key, I appreciate you. But like, people fearmongers, they fearmonger me so hard. Bro, you have a massive vulnerability that can take down everything. I hear that at least once a week. And then I like, what is it? It's like, then there's like, oh, just DM me. And then it's like, okay, hey, I'm here, dude. And then it's like, okay, well, it's I really big. Let me try to explain it. Can you jump on a call, a VC with me? And it's like, oh my God, bro. Just fucking spin it, gang. What the hell is 31B? Jesus Christ, bro. You ain't even locked, dude. You ain't even locked. You're not even locked, dude. Bro, you're not even locked. Not even fucking locked. Pen testing shit. You ain't even locked, bro. See, that's the thing. Pen testers are cooked because no, I'm not calling out hackers. You guys aren't cooked, but if you only worry about the downside, who cares about the downside? Look at the upside. I don't want to say that as your leader here in algorithmic trading because it matters. But fuck. Don't spend all your day going down these rabbit holes of pen testing a website that there's two people on. That's all I'm trying to say. I got 30 people on my website. If one of them gets past the API gate, Jane's throwing so many fucking strays today, dude. So many strays. Gosh. Bliss. That's two strays back to back. Two fucking strays. Okay, so the page shows validate and access. Okay, the zero roadmap, content, and the HTML. Here's a summary of what's fixed. Okay, so I think this is an important one. Thank you. Please do send a very short, concise email. Just like 4 bullet points of like, hey, this is fucked up. This is fucked up. This is fucked up, and then I'll go ahead and I'll just fix them because it's just like super easy to do, super easy for me to fix. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and fix them. I appreciate you, dude. Thank you. Ignore the rest. The tough thing is I don't want to ignore my friends. That's the part. Root Killer coming in here. He's trying to be helpful. Jane's always in here. They're trying to be helpful. They're trying to help me out. But we just look at the world a little differently. I'm looking at the upside. I'm motherfucking shooting the moon. I'm never spending a day pen testing for fun. You kidding me? That's just not me, and that's fine. People have, different hobbies and shit. That's the type of shit I'm talking about, Jade. I've already been hacked. I've already been hacked. I've been hacked. I've already lost, and I'm still not interested in limiting in that way. Like I got other ways to mitigate my risk, you know? If I put something so sketch on the web that I can lose it, of course I'm gonna take it more seriously, but I mitigate by not even doing that. Nice to know someone checks his security for real. All right, well, not your security guy. I'm not your security guy. Thank you though. I appreciate it. You guys do bring me further in the security world. So I think this is the major one. Bruh, if you pen test my shit again, I'm motherfucking suing you. If you motherfucking say pen test one more time, I'm sending the motherfucking book at your ass. If you ask me about motherfucking security in my chat again, you ain't coming back. bro, you can absolutely, you should pencil test. Put it on the dark web. I'm about to kick both you motherfuckers out the chat today. I'm over here motherfucking making the biggest shit ever. And I'm over here talking about pen testing. Pen testing. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm over here talking about pen tests. What the fuck? This is the nerdiest shit I've ever talked about in my life. We're always over here motherfucking fear mongering, saying you're about to lose it all. Get the fishing reel out. All right. Oh man. I have an idea. Boom. Fixed it. Much love to you. And the slash arena, anyone can access it. Okay, let's go fix that little pen testing little shit. Fucking pen club, pen testing club. Jesus Christ. This is why I cook everybody in the motherfucking chat. I don't care who you are. Like, we talking about pen test. I'm talking about 31B. And homeboy isn't even locked enough to know what a 31B is. I talk about it every fucking day. Anyways, let's just get into Moon's World, because Moon's World, the reason we're here. I feel like that's a very good example of why we're different, though. You'll spend 3 weeks pen testing. I'll spend 3 weeks doing things nobody's ever done before. So I'm glad you're here. Much love to you. How's it going up here? How's it going up here? Three models going. Running 5+ minutes. Still running 28 to 44 minutes of CPU time for each. Okay, so this should work now. So let's go back to why was I running from cursor? Because I was talking about fucking pen testing. Jesus Christ. Hey, Colonel, shout out to you, dude. Much love. I'm glad you won the arena, but I'm about to kick you out the fucking my world. I'm sorry. Dev No Life. We had beef back in the day. We had big beef. And I know we're just different people, but that's the thing. You got to create your own reality and create your own space. Bro, can I ask a question? You just did. All right, so here we go. Model loaded successfully. 5 multi-signal ensemble. Predicting every 5 minutes. Running first prediction. It says signal skip. Waiting for better setup. And then let's go ahead and look through this code because this code is my executor. Copy path. Okay, walk me through this code. Walk me through this code chunk by chunk so I can ensure that we have all of the things needed in order to have a robust bot. Okay. Thank you. Also, talk to me about how we would swap in a new model. Oh man, this is great. This is great. I love having no deliverables here. I love having no deliverables in the chat. Uh, no deliverables. No deliverables. Nothing you need here from me except a Zoom link. All right, so let's go through each one of these. So chunk one, the imports, okay, don't need to see those. Well, symbol, okay. Prediction interval, how often it calls. This comment block explains the options. But just open the code. Environment path, okay. Quiet wrappers here. Every nice function here. It's a thin wrapper that suppresses STD out. This is what prevents addresses, accounts, etc. Okay. Model loader uses import. Let's get this up here, matter of fact. Dev API data collection, okay. Risk management. Okay, so we got the bot cycle, perfect. Curious about the Moondev API data collection here. Moondev loader. Wire wrappers, env and auth. How to swap a model. One line change, that's nice. So model file, just pass in the model file, okay. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Let's get the model going up here. How about that? Arena executor, copy path. T-flow, bro. Python. Yeah, arena executor, okay. Running first prediction here. Entering short position. Canceled all orders. Talk to me about the stop loss and the take profit. How is that working? And then also go ahead and fix this error. Thank you. So she put a silent wrapper, and that's interesting. I never knew about that. That's why you got it. That's why I recommend personally. Personally, that's why I recommend everybody learn to code first. Everybody learn to be a pen tester for 15 years before they ever try anything in their life. And then once they get 15 years in, they should keep pen testing. That's my recommendation. Sidebar. Munev, again, just an AI coder. Oh shit. Oh God. Oh God. Sidebar. I want to see here. And then also talk to me a little bit about those wrappers. That seemed interesting, a new concept to me, like a silent wrapper to make it so you can't see accounts and stuff. That's a cool concept in coding. I wonder if I ever got into the Kalshi gang. First trade in minutes. They're deep. They're still going here. Hasn't saved the model yet. Probably still training. It's the most complex with 3 components. So I got 3 ML models running right now. I'll fix the crash. Now let me answer your questions. Okay, let's go ahead and get that fixed first. So where it gets checked in the main loop, the bot calls get positions. If you're in a position, it calls wrist check. check risk. At the start of every prediction, before even fetching. Okay, we still get an error though. Simplify this, gang. Where can I use to get HIP3 data for? Brett, so ain't no more HIP3 lick data. Only elite access get Papo. I feel you. It's 2:30 in Australia here. 777, dude. See ya. Yeah, there's no API key anymore. So if you want the API key, you can get it here at moondev.com/Easter. Or if you want to pay more, go to moondev.com/go. Either one. You choose. You choose. Those are your two options. Much love to you. You're welcome. So we're building the executor today because I thought it'd be pretty cool to have this. And I'm thinking about putting this into the Hyperliquid data layer GitHub, because then that's open source. Limit sell place. Okay. The take profit stop loss are percentage based P&Ls that run on a timer. Here's the flow. So I see that you're using stop loss take profit. Let's do that, but have that as a backup. Make mine 10% and 20%. No, that's 10% each. Stop loss take profit. But the real signal to close the position is an opposite signal. So if we're in a short and then I get a signal of a long on that model, we close the position. Also, how does it manage positions right now? I can see I filled a position. I market sold because it said waiting for fill for so long. We should have this if the price. We should have it wait 60 seconds to 30 seconds for waiting to fill. Thank you. But then once it's in a position, it should show me my position I'm in. It says bot is live right now. You can see the flow it went through. It said entry in short position. But now I'm not able to see like what's the P&L and stuff. I want to be able to see that stuff. And it should like stay active, essentially updating every, I don't know, 10 seconds or so. And we're going to be able to see the position that we're in, you know? And then with our new management system, I guess we'll have to run the models still every X minutes, however many minutes we are running this bot on. So for example, for the 5 minute, we'd run the model every 5 minutes on the 5 minute mark. On the 5 minute mark. That's the key thing. On the 5 minute mark or on the hourly mark. So that might be a change up for you, but go ahead and make those updates here. You can see the output. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's see what happened here. Backend is live. Here's a summary of what was fixed. The vulnerability Arena created intros was stored in local storage in plain text. Anyone who opened a browser could run this and steal the account permanently. The secret was also passed. What changed? Backend. Front end. Now someone logs in. I hope that fixed the problem you were talking about, root kernel. Root canal. Yeah, I mean, it sounds like you already tried, so why are you asking now? Seems like you already tried. Okay, yeah, you can just run it back. Try it again. Dun, 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 dun. Bam, 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 ba-da-na. All right, let's restart this. Arena Executor. Entering short position. Mm, 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 mm. Peace, Holmes. Have a great day. See what's going on with the oil and stuff. Let's go to Poly Market. Well, actually, I want to go to X. And essentially, can you go ahead and give me a full update on what's going on with the Strait of Hormuz and what this means for oil here on April 7th and 8th? Thank you. Okay, sick. So she's going to go do that for me. Let's look at the charts here. Chartson. I'm just a charting, man. Just a charting, man. Just a charter. CL. So what's going on here with oil? This was a hell of a move yesterday when he announced that crazy, crazy stuff. Amazon up 4%. Wow. So spooky. Thank you very much for that. Switching market sell 71. See, this doesn't make sense to me. You can see that this doesn't make too much sense to me here. Because if it put a market sell in, it should show a position, right? But maybe it's just looking on an account that just doesn't, maybe it's throwing an error. Maybe this has something to do with our silencing of orders. And I'm not able to see an error that's happening or something along those manners. Thank you. And I did get hacked. I did get hacked. So ironic day to be talking about this, but so maybe I'm using that account on this here. And let me just go ahead and figure it out. Let me go ahead and say code dot. Already got it open, bro. You can still log in, but can't do certain stuff. I'd really think highly of you if you could explain that in less than 4 sentences exactly what's wrong. Be fire. That would be fire, dude. Directness is always appreciated. You could just shoot me a DM here, switch that from everyone to DM, and just say it in 2 to 3 sentences. 4 sentences. 4 sentences would be awesome. Oh, damn. Damn. First message he sends is so. You can't make this shit up, bro. Like, what do you need me to explain again? Bruh, come on, lock in, gang. Lock in. Dot. This is what this motherfucker really started saying me. He says, so, like, what do you need me to explain again? Dot. I forgot. That's what I'm saying. You guys are fucking trolling at this point. I get this every week. Somebody's like, you got a huge vulnerability, but I forgot what I was talking about. Or just talk to me in the DMs, daddy, please. This isn't OnlyFans. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just I'll part ways with you, Colonel. Sorry, dude. This is the end for you. Much love to you. I gotta kick you out. I know you got good intentions, but look what you just said to me, dude. I said 4 sentences and Jane had a good point, but you didn't follow through. Jane had a good point. Help me in 4 sentences. Love it. She had a good point. Like, that was a big ask, but clearly you couldn't do it. You DM me for no reason. So, like, what do you need me to explain again? I don't know, motherfucker. You said something. It's kind of fucked. I can still log in and do certain stuff. Should I say it here? I said, no, should be a DM. Oh, God. It's tough. Tough life. Could that be related to your hack? Maybe. I pretty much exposed my private key somehow. Nice. Appreciate you. Asked about the poly course. Poly course. Mm, open cloud course. Okay, okay, okay. You DM'd me weeks ago. Mad people DM me, shorty. I'm sorry. I wish I could DM you guys, but this shit's getting too big and a lot of pen testers in my inbox. Wish there was a lot of alpha in the inbox, but sadly, people trying to chat in the inbox, really. It's just hard. It's hard to chat with everybody. How's OpenClaw going for you? That's awesome. How I did it. So go to this, scroll down, see data, press F12. Thank you, dude. Beautiful, dude. This is the best thing I've ever seen from you, bro. Much love to you. Thank you. This is the type of shit I like to see, bruh. There we go, dude. There we go. Thank you, dude. Send me the alpha, bro. Like, I know you guys want me to keep sending you more alpha. You want me to send it on motherfucking YouTube. You want me to send it on Twitter. You want me to send me some shit, gang. Alpha is not security, by the way. That is like, that's beta. Maybe. Maybe. Again, upside versus downside. Send me some fucking alpha. Fire in the chat. All right, so you can see this new report here of what he can do. And can we go ahead and fix that? Thank you very much. That's some fire, Root. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Tin hat for alpha. Let's get it. That's the type of shit I'm talking about. He sent me this time. Like this. You got some fire for me? Throw that shit in. I'll throw that shit in. We'll pass it back and forth. And I'll fuck with you. Next person that tags me and says, hey, I have a question. Hey, can I ask a question? Like, come on, bruh. I'll never come back. I'll never come back to the chat. I love the chat when it's fire. Put your tin hats on. I got my tin hat on every single day. That's why we're here. Cause I'm tin hatted all the way. I'm all the way somewhere different. I'm in the mood. Amazing. It kicks ass when you know it. What are you doing with it though? Like, what's the alpha there? I'm curious. I know you've been cooking with OpenClaw, so that's fire. You got it writing me bots, back testing, new algos. Okay. That's pretty cool. What models are you using? Are you using Minimax or Opus? Let me send how I bypass the roadmap too. That would be amazing, Colonel. That would be amazing. That would be amazing. Opus and Minimax. So Minimax for the majority of things. Cool. Cool. Sent you that in the DM as well. I don't read my DMs. Only place I chat is here, and I can't even handle it here. You think I'm gonna spend my time on the DMs? No way. I can't. I can't. I can't. I wish I could. I wish I could. Truthfully, I wish I could. I really wish I could handle people better, but that's just like probably the reason I'm here. You know, that's why I'm not at a like firm. That's why I'm not running up a fund. I can't handle people like this. I can't handle people every day in and out. So that's why I ran away from the YouTube chat. I ran away from the YouTube chat. I can't do DMs. I did them for a while. I did them for a while, but yeah, everybody wants some moonlight. That's why I also left the 9 to 5. Yeah, because we all got shit, bro. We all got fucking preconceived notions. We've all got motherfucking shit going on in our lives. So it's like the thing about streaming, dude, is you're literally inviting people that are in their underwear into your world. And they're acting on whatever they're feeling that day. It's like, bro, I'm feeling some type of way too. I'm gonna cook anybody that throws shit on me. Fire in the chat, baby. Fire in the chat. Hold the chat for the fire, and then we'll go ahead and just cook. I love it. I love it. I love the fire in the chat. DM me if you got absolute fucking walk a flock of flames. But I'm still not gonna motherfucking respond. As long as they eat a slice of pizza, I'm fine. I like pizza. See, the thing is, yo, Kelly is a pen tester, by the way. Kelly comes to me with Moondev. Look at this bug here. Boom. Screenshot, some text. Kelly, I like Kelly. Kelly doesn't come in here and say, hey, Moondev, I found a vulnerability on your website. It's going to take your shit down. It's absolute urgent. He doesn't toy me along. He says, boom, here's a screenshot. Here's the bug. Found this little bug, Moondev. Up to you if you want to fix it. The pen testers come in here and say, you have an urgent bug you need to fix. It will take all of your systems down. And I'll be like, okay, what is it? Well, I need to explain it. Jump on a call with me. Or, oh shit, I forgot. What was I trying to explain again? Oh, it's nutty. That's the way devs talk to each other. Exactly. Kelly's a dev. He's a dev, bro. He's a data dog. Colonel, I don't know. I can't tell if you're a dev. You're clearly a pen tester. But we're all artists. We're all artists. All right, so here's the other bug. I'm gonna patch up. Thank you, bro. Yeah, this is fire, dude. Thank you. Okay, also here you can see this is how he got into the roadmap. So go ahead and patch that as well. Thank you. I think this is going to work better without the silent wrappers. I already built my nice funks to not show anything sketch, like the keys or the addresses or anything like that. So yeah, kill the silence because this is just making it hella hard to test it. Thank you. So the silent wrapper is a cool idea, but not for me. Not right now, at least. Thank you. Because you can see it says not filled. Order may have been rejected or size too small. I need to see the motherfucking error, gang. Again. Did the login bug get fixed? Fucking try it, bro. Try it. It is how to get a pen tester. I mean, that's exactly what they're doing, Ingrid. That's exactly what they're doing. Pen testers, they go around scaring you about this or that, and it's like, yeah, they're valid points. They're valid points, but scare marketing is the best marketing. Ask Jane about scare marketing. Since she's throwing shots at me today, ask Jane about fucking fear mongering marketing. Hey, I only gave you one, Jane. I only gave you one. I only gave you one. I only gave you one shot. You've already thrown 3 shots at me. So I only gave you one. We're playing fair here. I got 2 more. Hey, you do it every day? Nah, I'm not a huge fear monger, but I could lean heavy into fear. You do with your manual trading ads? Okay, that's fair. That's fair. I guess that is fear mongering. Well, I guess we both know how to do it. No worries, no worries. Learn, baby, learn so you can earn, baby, earn. Done, Moondive. Ripped out all the silent rappers. Thank you. Let's go ahead and I'm actually gonna pull this off screen because now I might be cooked. Maybe I show a key or something. Running first prediction. Fetching live. Okay. Oh, I got no money in the account. This is the account that got hacked. Yup. Cool, cool, cool. See? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Leverage 3, canceled all orders. Multi-sig required. Yo, I don't know if I told you guys this, but this guy, no, I didn't tell you. I didn't tell you how he cooked me. I didn't tell you, but people are just gonna rub it in my face if I do, so fuck you. You better pen test. You better pen test, bro. You choose, you choose. All right, so I know the error now. I have 0.007 cents in there. So that's good to know. So let's go see what account it is. See if I can get this switched up. API, ENV. Okay. Cooked. That account is now owned by the hacker. He owns my account now. I'm just cooked, dude. AI doesn't know everything. Hack it back? How? That'd be cool. But at this point, it's just like, you win, bruh. Okay, sell place. Perfect. Shit looks good. Order ID. Entering short position. Okay. I'm in a P&L. Okay, perfect. So this works now. Count value. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so we are live. Now what I want to do, first off, let's get this up into the GitHub. All right, so it all works now. Can you just double check that these new files here have no API keys, no secret keys that are going to be shared? Because then I'll go ahead and push it to GitHub. Okay, thank you. Sweet, dude. Sweet. So sweet. So sweet. Spreadsheets, pen and paper is the most secure. It's just that'd be hard as hell. That'd be hard as hell. I can't tell you how I keep track of my shit because my shit I got hacked. I got hacks. My way don't work. Ask fucking root kernel. Ask Jane. Those are the security sweeters. Those are the security sweeties. Ledger. Ledger. Use a stone. A stone is good. Yeah, that's a good one. Keep key. That's why that's why I keep root kernel around, because he's got a little bit of funny in him. He's got a little funny in him. A little off topic, but people are usually off topic because they do what Jane do. They're like on other shit and they're just over here chatting. And it's just like, okay, yeah, I'm not even working on that shit right now. I can tell you're distracted. Distracted me. You can't multitask. That's impossible. You know that, right? Nah. Multitasking is fake news. Multitasking is fake news. It's literally impossible. It's fake news, fake news. I am possible. Yeah. I believe you can do anything, but can't multitask. You can, you're not multitasking. You're doing 50-50. You're not doing 100-100. Like a great example of this is like how hard I cook when I'm not in chat versus how hard I cook when I am in chat. When I'm in chat, I'm cooked. And when I'm out of chat, I cook. Nothing beats pure focus. Nothing. When you DJ, you have to learn to listen to both ears at once. Okay. That's dope. I'll give it to you, Jane. I'll let you be superhuman. I got shit to do, but I'm here every day. Okay. But you also type. So it's like that's triple multitasking, right? So I know you're doing voice, but like chatting, working on some other shit, you ain't cooking. You ain't cooking like you could, Jane. That's why I'm not here every day. I appreciate you showing up today. Much love to you. I got 5. That's not you, boo boo. I got 42 bots going. I got motherfucking all types of shit. I got 82 VPSs. That ain't me. That's me from the past. This motherfucking root kernel. Fuck, dude. I know you're kidding here. I know you're kidding with that. But thanks for sharing those other things today. Appreciate you. I appreciate how we got there. No, I appreciate the ending point. Don't appreciate how we got there, but I appreciate the end output you sent. Thank you. Much love to you. 777. Done. His script no longer works. His attack to bypass this. Okay. So we fixed your attack. Yo, Moondev, I have a bug and will cause your website data to get sold on the dark web. Anyone can see all data encrypted in Mesopotamia stone encryption. That's the thing. You're just kidding. Yeah, bro. Thank you for your service, dude. I'm not going in this loop with you, and I think that's why I didn't fuck with you at the start, because I've definitely chatted with you a lot on Twitch. I remember you clearly. Dev No Life. I think you might be sent by the ops just to waste time. So much love to you, dude. I'm gonna get you out of here. Yeah, because I said this 2 years ago and I took it back. I was trying to be nice to the kid, but I'm gonna put you on a perma ban, bro. I'm gonna put you on a perma ban. Thank you. Thank you, dude. Shoot me that email if you do want. I appreciate you trying here. But I can't do pen testing all day with you. I'm sorry. Sorry. I fixed one thing and then there's something else here. You can break it in 20 seconds. You're a gangster, dude. I'm not a gangster. I'm just a I'm just a humble little kid trying to chase this bag, dude. And I got so many people out here telling me all this stuff. Like, okay, XHR is now a problem. The thing I just implemented, okay, let's get it. You threaten people, you pay the piper. That's what pen testers do, dude. They just low key threaten me of how bad this shit's gonna happen, how bad something's gonna happen, how bad it's gonna be if I don't use Cloudflare. Like, what the fuck? It's not the end of the world. That's why Prez be talking the way he does. He don't play nice twice when ops waste your time. That's what I'm saying, dude. I'm not gonna back that dude, but yeah. I'm only using Cloudflare because Jane forced me to. That's why I'm using Cloudflare. I've said this for years. I don't need no help, my nigga. I can do bad on my own. Please, please, please. Like, just look at what I'm working on. And I get that you guys are multitasking, but like, all I've asked for the last 5 years is, yo, just fire in the chat. It's not help. It's actually not help at all. It's not help. It's not help. I know it comes from your heart. And Root Killer just said he bypassed the roadmap again. Thank you, bro. I get that. I get that. It's just not helpful. It's not helpful. Like, what's helpful is just being direct to the point, shooting like an email or something, and be like, yo, this is broken, or this is the pitch of why to use this. Dragging out a conversation for like all day about pen testing. If you think this was helpful, like maybe the pen testing hobbyist, but thank you, Root Killer. There we go. Lock in. Lock in. There we go. See, I gotta say this shit. I gotta tell you guys how I feel because then you actually come back. Like Root Killer now is back with straight up things. This is playful, but it's very truthful at the same time. Like, I think some people waste their time on downside risk and they don't optimize for the upside at all. But you know, that's obviously a fine line to that. And I got hacked. So is that the right way? No, but it's just the way I go. She's playful. She's playful, but I'm just trying to cook. And then it's super easy for you guys to be like, oh, just get back to it. It's like, okay. Fire in the chat. Fire in the chat. I understand you're the other way. And that's why you're in the chat. I got hacked once. I got hacked too. I lost a lot of money. I built my systems so I don't lose money again. I'm sure I will lose again. If we ain't talking money, we ain't making sense, bro. That's all I'm saying. I hope you guys learned a lot about pen testing today. I did build the executor so you could see it's in a trade here. I'm curious though. I haven't seen it rerun the again, this is based off of nothing. Based off a model I just randomly built, but so how does this go ahead and yeah, when is it checking the model again is my question in this current bot that we're running. Thank you. All good. We're good on the API stuff as well. Code. How you say it? Get add. Yeah. Get commit. Pen testing is gay. Okay. Moondive. What do we call this? This is the executor. Arena executor. Arena executor bot. Okay. Git push. Bang. All right, I pushed it. So GitHub. Da, 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 da. Moondive trading bots here. Da, 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 da. Bots executor. Moondive arena. Backtest historical slim. Okay, perfect. Execution. Moondive executor. Hyperliquid key, API key. Okay, so what I want to do here now, let's see. Nah, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do all that. I was going to do it, but nah. See, the more things that I release, the more work I have. That's the problem that I've been running into. So I'm just going to keep it all here. Because then if I release more shit on GitHub, I've got more vulnerabilities that people are going to fearmonger me about. Then I'm going to bite and then I'm going to spend like an hour and a half fucking pen testing. The thing is with pen testers, it's like you guys are hackers. So I got to be kind of nice to you or else you just hack me. But at the same time, I fucking hate you guys. It's just so annoying. So annoying. Like, be a good pen tester and send a fucking email saying, hey, this is wrong. This is wrong. We got AI to do everything, dude. if you're trying to be a motherfucking don't worry, Jane. We and Jane will never hack you. No, I don't think you guys will ever hack me. I don't think Jane is a hacker either. She's just a professional and looks out for me, you know? That's it. So I think that pen testers are kind of hackers though. And maybe she is a hacker. Maybe she is a pen tester as well. I don't know. Again, I'm pretty uneducated. As long as they're ethical pen testers, that's fine. They good people trying to warn you. Yeah. I appreciate it. All right, so I got all that up to the GitHub, which is awesome. The arena executor.py. Template bot for executing arena prediction models on Hyperliquid. Uses Moondev API. BTC ticks, HL liquidations, positions near liquidation, Binance liquidations. Beautiful. Pick your winning arena model from the arena folder. Set model file below to point at take momentum, okay, or whatever it is. Set Hyperliquid key, run it. Position management, primary exit, opposite signal from your long short equals close. Backup exit, TP stop loss. White hat all the way. Gotta stay white hat. Gotta stay white hat. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping. All right, so that's all on GitHub now. So let's look at this here. I was doing okay. Root Killer says I was doing illegal stuff on cyber crimes like 3 years ago, but stopped after realizing it's not worth the stress. Oh man, bro, why are you snitching on yourself on my fucking public video, dude? That's like I knew you were fucked up, bro. Come on, lock in, dude. Don't snitch on yourself on the public. I can't post this shit because I'm gonna look out for you, kid. I'm still kicking you out the fucking room. I'm kicking you out the chat. Kicking you out the chat. I'm kicking you out the Discord. You did win, so I do have to keep you there. I'm just gonna mute you forever. Much love to you. I don't know how I'll handle it, but can't snitch on yourself on a fucking public video that's going on the internet, bruh. Jesus. You're cooked. The Moondev True Serum. The thing is you guys know me so much better than I know you, and it's sometimes hard for people to realize that. Remember, I only know the words that you send me. So I'm just responding directly to what you guys lay up for me. You throw up some bullshit, I'm gonna call it bullshit. I don't want customers, I don't want clients. I'm not a customer service type dude. So it's just like that's why I got the 90-day money back guarantee. And whatever you serve up to me in the chat, I'm just gonna dunk. If it's fire in the chat, I'll let you know. If it's trash in the chat, I'll let you know. Karma is real, dude. Karma is real. Always got to stay on the white hat side of things. Yes, I know we're all sick. We're all developers, yada, yada. But that's bad vibes. I knew you had some bad vibes in you, bruh. I knew it. I could tell. I could tell from the start. So, I mean, I know you did win, dude, but I can't have that. I can't have that. Can't have that around here. If you're a criminal, can't have that around here. Sorry. You said it, bro. So much love to you. Thanks for helping today. I can't be around criminals, dog. If you're a criminal, that's okay with me, but don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. You got to go. You got to go. Nah, there's no API key today. He's a smooth criminal. Nah, Colonel gone, bro. Colonel's gone. I warned him many times. Thank you, bro. Many years, honestly. Dev no life. If the boys come knocking, dude, I can't, I'm not a snitch. I'm not a snitch. But if the boys come knocking because you literally just admitted to a crime here on my stream, like, I have no loyalty to you. I'm not a snitch, but I don't know you, my nigga. No, it's your bad. Yeah, like don't worry, don't apologize to me. I'm just saying, like, you just said all this shit live in the chat. Like, why would you do that, bro? Why would you do that to yourself? I'm not gonna fucking stick my neck out for some dude that's been annoying me for 2 years. Hey, the boys come knocking. You already sent me all your information, dude. It's fucked up. God damn, dude. All right, I'm gonna try not to publish this one. Well, it should not have to. It's a replay. The replay is the replay. Could be exaggerating. Yes, you could be exaggerating. Mr. Officer, he could be exaggerating. He could be exaggerating, Mr. Officer. I could have a ton of federal eyes on every single one of my streams as well, Mr. Root Colonel. I could be in an industry that they're waiting for me to slip up in, Mr. Colonel. But I'm not here to save nobody. I'm not aiding. I'm not aiding them. I'm not helping them. You can absolutely not pen test my website. Now that I know you're a smooth criminal. So much love to you, bro. Yeah, Jane was just hacking games. And she said in that message, white hat only. So we know Jane is good, but we know Jane's character. We know she's good. I've been skeptical of your character, Root Colonel, this entire time. And then to give me the ultimate excuse to ban you for life, you said you're a fucking criminal. I gotta ban you. I gotta ban you, dude. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Motherfucker started today saying you got a bounty. You got a bounty. You think I'm gonna pay a smooth criminal? No way. No way. Thank you, Jane. Thank you. And I'm just having fun with you today. You know, any strays that are going from me to you or you to me? Yes, it's all good. All love, all love, all love. 777. Yes, yes. But Colonel's cooked. Colonel's cooked. He left the chat. He probably left the chat. He's probably deleting all his shit right now. Banter with Jane. Colonel's cooked though. Nah, yours was worse than Jane's. Jane said she was just hacking games. You said you were doing cyber crimes, bro. Like I'm not making this shit up. I just read it and I was like, holy helly, how fucking street stupid is this kid? Oh my god, a fucking smart pen tester for sure, but fucking street smarts of a motherfucking fart. Crazy. Crazy, bruh. No wonder you get cooked by Moondev all day. Not in the year I was doing it. She was 10. She's like 29 now. You know, there's something called, what is it, 10-year law or some shit? He said, I just finished last week doing cyber crimes. Root Colonel was like, last week I was doing some cyber crimes. I'm fucking with you, dude. I'm fucking with you. I know you said 3 years ago. But they already emailed me. They said, what's his email? They said, what's his name? They already sent me that. No, I'm just kidding. I'm fucking with you. I'm fucking with you, bro. You're cooked. You are cooked 100%. You're like, I would say there's a 98% chance you're cooked for this because they are looking for people that are lacking up in here, bro. Of course. They're looking for me to fuck up. Wall Street doesn't want me to show this. No way. Goodbye. Goodbye, Root Colonel. Keep the booty tight. All right, so all this code is in here. I just kind of want to give it a look through because I want to see everything looks good. So we got our imports, nice funks here. We got a position already. Okay, P&L 0.44. Looking at your output, the position status shows this. Okay. The model runs smart. The clock mark runs on the clock mark. Okay, so in 1 minute it should run. Between the 5-minute marks, it's just the position display loop running every 10 seconds. Okay. So I'm looking up here, top right, because at the 5-minute mark, it should run the model again. What's the model? I don't know. I just randomly built it. Just getting the infrastructure done. Infrastructure. Okay, it's on the 30 now. Do you see it running? I don't see it running yet. It's on the minute. So we're on the 30-minute right now. And I don't see any printouts about it running the model. I'm in a position, as you can see. But can you go ahead and make like a red background to the part where it's calling the model using term color? Because I'm just not seeing it. You can see we moved to the 1031 too, actually, just now. And I never saw the model run again. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's see what this is. In the hacker community, the name root kernel, written in leet speak, refers to the two most powerful levels of control a person can have over a computer. Here is what the parts of the name mean in a hacking context. Root. This is God mode. Account on systems like Linux. A user with root access has total authority to read any file, change any setting, and control all other users on the system. Kernel. This is the absolute core of the operating system that talks directly to the hardware. If a hacker reaches the kernel level, often called ring zero, they are operating below the normal security software, making them nearly impossible to detect or stop. His name basically means total system control. It combines the highest level of administration power, root, with the deepest level of technical access. It's a flex name used to claim elite technical skills. Okay. Thought I knew the words in the name. Yeah, so yeah, that is a narc behavior for sure. Okay, so I got to get him out of the whole Discord. I'm removing root kernel from my entire life, and this might bite me in the butt because when I do this to people, they come harder and they're just like, okay, let's get him, let's get him, let's get him, boys. He gave me a reason. Root canal. Where is this fucker? Root kernel. Got to cut off energy zappers. Thank you. Root kernel, here we go. And this motherfucker said this shit the other night. I was like, what the hell, bruh? Come on, gang, lock in. If you root kernel, don't you get, can't you pay for your own AI? Anyways, I get free AI in the Discord, but it wasn't good enough for gang. Do we get any other access other than the one in Discord or Moondev app for AI? Very small context window and cannot even respond correctly with code. Also, they time out very fast, sad face. You know what's sadder than that, gang? Ignore. Use this to register a bunch of coupons. Click that link, probably get root kerneled. Moondev Elite. Yeah, my bad. Nah, I'm just gonna kick you out of the Discord, the entire Discord, actually. I'm gonna kick you out of the whole Discord. He won the thing though, so this is kind of fucked up by me. But you had like 90 days, 30 days. Yeah, it's kind of fucked up by me, but I just can't be around him no more. Sorry. Invite to server. How do I get him out of here? I can't be around ops and motherfucking like if you're a criminal, I'm not holding it against you, dude. But don't tell me that. Because then I have a motherfucking I have an obligation to get you up out of here and never let you come back. Like it's okay. It's okay. I don't care about your background. Just don't tell me that. Don't tell me you used to do cyber crimes. Like get the fuck out of here, bruh. He got me scared. That dude got you scared. Speeded up 3x to back to the computer to check the pen test shit. Yeah, that's what pen testers do though. That's how they get you to sign up. So that's how they get clients. And that's, it makes sense. Makes sense. It's just like I can't have that around here scaring me, scaring you, scaring us all. So I'm gonna ban him for life. Previous 7 days. Yeah, we can keep his posts. Don't delete any. Root kernel, sketch kernel is gone forever. Okay, but I'm not only gonna do that. I'm gonna make sure he's blacklisted. Doesn't show up at the Zooms no more. He can't. He can't. That's a bad look. That's a bad look. Can't be here no more. I'm sorry. You gotta go. Root kernel. Okay. Please go ahead. Please take this guy off the email list for the Zooms. He is banned for life. As he admitted, he is what did he call himself? And I just got to make this. I'm actually going to keep this on the video because, I'm not a snitch, but if you snitch on yourself, I'm definitely not going to cover for you. You know? Like I get it. I grew up brown in America. I get it. I get it. But I'm not a snitch. I'm not a snitch, but if you come asking for this dude, like I can't do anything about that. Yeah, you're a snitch then. Nah, not a snitch, bro. Not a snitch. Just don't expose yourself in my chat. All right, where did he say this shit? Cause I gotta word it like he did. So I got it on my papers. I'm actually a bitch. I'm not a snitch. I'm a bitch. I'm scared. I'm scared of regulation. That's the truth. Boys come knocking, asking about root kernel. I'm sending them. I'm sending them everything. Just don't hit me. Where is he? Oh, he deleted his shit. Good call, bro. Good call, dude. Good call. Good move, dude. That's the best play he's made all day. Proof of reason why he got booted banned. He said he did some illegal shit. Yeah, I think that's the bottom line. Um,
especially if you're gonna do illegal shit when you're like kind of scare everybody in here. Like, yeah, I'm good. Different if he said he went through court and paid his time for sure. I truly believe that just because you did something in the past, is did your time, went through the courts, yada yada. It's just like I'm not going down for you. That's the bottom line. I'm not going down for you people in the chat. I'm not going down. Cybercrime is scary too, dude, because I just got motherfucking hacked. Maybe it was him. Maybe it was him. At least he changed and seen the wrong. Absolutely. I wish him luck. I've just given him so many hours, dude. I've given him so many hours. Usually the people closest to us. Yeah, that's the sad part. That's the scary thing. But somebody got a hold of my private key. And obviously, I take full responsibility for that. It's not anybody else's fault except mine. I didn't have my fucking security down right. I still don't know how they got it. And that's the eerie part. But all I can do is build systems to avoid that next time. And I feel like I have a very robust system now. All you pen testers out there, I'm not like tempting you to come get me, but I'm a snitch. But I'm a snitch, clearly. Oh god. Proximity is the worst hack or exposure. I don't know how I got hacked, but they got a hold of my private key. They got a hold of my private key. So that's the bottom line. Not sure how. I'm a snitch bitch. I'm a snitch bitch, bro. I'm a pussy snitching bitch. That's just who I am now. Sorry. Root kernel is gone. I already sent it to my EA. I could make a whole song about it. All right, dude. So let's see how this is cooking. I don't know how I got this shit done today. I don't know how I got it done. Oh, it's a fun game. It's a fun game. We can have AI make it. Let's get it. Root kernel. I actually have a weight off of my shoulders to know that I'll never have to speak to root kernel again. What did I cook today? Well, I built the executor for any models you feel are fire. So I just pushed them to GitHub here. So if you are participating in the moondev.com/arena, you can see here, a lot of people are. See if it still works. Okay. So you set your models up in a way here that it predicts every hour or 5 minutes. What I just did today is I built out a full executor. So if you feel one of your models is sick, well, now you can go to the GitHub, Moondev Trading Bots GitHub, go to the bot section, the Moondev Arena execution, and then we have an executor here for anybody that wants to try this in a live real market. Now, of course, this is template code. There are going to need to be changes based off of what your needs are. Right now, what this does is it looks at the actual model, same setup here as you submit to the arena page. It looks at that model, its predictions, and it will get into a position based off of that prediction and close the position if it's an opposite. And yeah, it's just kind of day one, but working my way up to the arena. There's so much. Yes, there's a lot. There's a lot. Definitely start with the training, of course. Okay, so here we go. The clock mark was broken. Okay, so this is broken. That's why. Let's go ahead here and say, hey, so The one thing that I think would be nice, or I need you to clarify, is what happens when it says skip? So, for example, it says buy or sell as the prediction, small prediction, but what happens when it's a skip, both on the entry and exit? Did I want to add a column for percentage of the arena? Like, what type of percentage? P&L type shit? Oh my god. Fucking reminder, he's not gonna let you out, gang. Win loss percentage. Got you. I like that. I was thinking too deeply about it. Could be good. Thank you. Papo doing well. Papo killing it. Interesting here that these three are all the exact same. April 14th will change because of the upcoming trial, whatever is added to Discovery. So August or April 14th, upcoming trial. What are you speaking on here? The trial. Trial. I got some good win rates going on too. Not on the arena though. 88 and 93. Okay. That's really good. That's really good. They all got the same bit of alpha from me. Nah, people are cooking harder than I am. Let's see if testing's on there. I just put a random, but Lick Surge, that's me right there. Ten right, three wrong. All right. Look at this, dude. Look at this chat. Look at this chat smooth. It's smooth chat now. Now it's like actual professionals, motherfucking stepping on the gas. Let's get it. I love it. I love it, dude. So this negotiation is for the information and receipts held by them. Damn, I need to learn more about that because it seems like oil is going to be something that can be traded for a while until this war is over. And here's the full update from what's happened on the 7th and 8th. The big picture: US Iran ceasefire and the Strait of Hormuz. After about 40 days of US Israel military operations against Iran, a 2-week ceasefire was announced late on the evening of April 7th. The deal, brokered by Pakistani Prime Minister, came less than 2 hours before Trump's 8 p.m. deadline, after which he had threatened to bomb Iranian. Sorry, I'm not laughing about the bombing. I'm laughing that it's been 40 days and I had complete conviction yesterday. and I was trying to full port. I literally on stream, I tried to full port the April 7th, not going to happen by then. And that's just too good. That is too good. 40 days. And you pick the one day to full port the April 7th. It's not happening by April 7th. And then it did. The central condition of the ceasefire, Iran must allow safe passage through the Strait of Hormuz, the narrow waterway, about 21 miles wide, through which roughly 20% of the world's oil and liquefied natural gas flows. Iran had effectively shut down the strait in retaliation for the US Israeli strikes, triggering what's been described as the largest disruption of crude supplies in history. Wow. About 800 ships became stranded in the Persian Gulf over the past 5 weeks. The ceasefire terms, what we know, Iran presented a 10-point proposal that Trump called a workable basis for negotiations. Key elements reported by Al Jazeera include Iran's retaining coordinated control over strait transit. Okay, so I know I'm just coping here, but some people are saying they are trying to dispute the April 7th ceasefire as there wasn't truly a ceasefire from Iran's side. Can you tell me if that has any legs? You can look at the poly market April 7th. Is it, is there going to be a ceasefire on both sides by April 7th? You can understand that market. But yeah, just go ahead and answer that. Is that just cope? I feel like it's just cope. Obviously, I'm also trying to jinx it right now. God, this is hand trading though. This is just like a good example of hand trading. Stupid. It's stupid, stupid, stupid. Moondev app, if you've gotten rid of the API keys, it's still asking for an API key. If you want the API key for life, you can go to this website here, moondev.com/Easter. $300 off here for today, Easter. You can see how many hours are left. See, there's 2 days, 13 hours. Join if you like. Oh, if you have lifetime, then shoot us an email. Because you have a lifetime all access key to this. And if you haven't emailed us to get your key yet, I don't know if you even have the GitHubs yet, but you get the GitHubs. You get 2 GitHubs. I just uploaded one of them today. These are bonuses. You get the Moondev app, but like you said, you need the API key to function the app. And if you're in this lifetime, then you do have access to this. So if you paid like $1,500 to $1,800, then you most likely have all access. This will go back up to the regular price point here at the end of the shot clock up there. The regular price is $17.95 or 2 payments in $9.49. But today for Easter, you get a little Easter blue, $300 off. API keys, you can, Polymarket has nothing to do with Polymarket. Yes, you just email to get the key if you are already part of these Moondev Lifetime All Access, which is this, moondev.com/. I'll go ahead and explain it really quickly because I know there is some confusion. Lifetime streams is not lifetime all access. That's lifetime access to streams. But if you did get lifetime to the stream pack, you get the streams for life. If you want to learn how to automate your trading and get your trading bots live, this is the Algo Trade Camp you get lifetime access to. You also get the AI masterclasses. This shows you how to use AI like I do to code everything. So even if you don't know how to code, you're going to be able to get your trading bots live with the Algo Trade Camp paired with the AI masterclasses. And then you're also going to get the Solana Copybot and Sniperbot course. On top of that, you get the Polymarket Trading Bot course. All this stuff is super duper hard to build on your own, and I make it easier for you with short, concise videos, a bunch of code examples, some downloadable stuff, and then you also get unlimited Zoom calls forever. And on top of that, you get Quant Elite. Quant Elite, there's 300 plus bots and backtests. You get lifetime access to this when other people are paying $300 per month. If that's you, go ahead and upgrade because this is all access lifetime. You also get the MoonDev Vault. The MoonDev Vault has all my past streams that are not available anywhere else. You get the MoonDev API key as well. So I've had a ton of people ask me today for the API key. There is no freebies anymore. This is war. They had a ceasefire. I had an increased fire. I'm trying to smoke everybody. It's PvP. If you want to be on my side, get in. If not, that's okay. Get the API key for life. You get the GitHub. I just uploaded it today. This is my trading bot GitHub. I just uploaded multiple years. And that nice Funks file that I uploaded, dude, that's multiple years of work on Hyperliquid. You get access to it immediately. Plus, you get my AI agents GitHub as well. On top of that, you get the MoonDev app access. It's $48,000 value. Hyperliquid, I want to overlay some data. Yes, so you get the API key for the Hyperliquid data layer. You can learn more about that at moondev.com/docs. Not going to charge you all that. I'm not even going to charge you $12K. I should charge you $7,200, but it's Easter today. So it's $14.95, one-time payment, 90-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. Check it out if you'd like to. If not, then please don't ask me for a discount later. This discount is going away. There's a 90-day, no questions asked money back guarantee. If you want to lock it in, go ahead and do so. If it's too much for you, you got 2 payments and 777. You can see hundreds of people found me just like you. You found me. You are the researcher. When I got started, I wasn't able to find anybody showing this stuff. You're kind of lucky. Plus, you got AI. So if you think you're starting too late, I think you're here at the perfect time. I'm envious of you, really, because I've been hacking it for 5 years and I show you all of the step-by-step secrets that I have learned along the way. You can see hundreds of people who have joined just like yourself. You can scroll through this, moondev.com/Easter. I got a bunch to do. If you got questions, feel free to ask me. It's $14.95, $300 off, or 2 payments of $777. There are multiple payment options there. Pay with crypto, cash, whatever. I'm still locked, dude. I'm still locked. Great question. Here's exactly what the skip does in both scenarios. Not in position plus skip signal. Nothing happens. No trade. Perfect. In position, it holds the current position. So skip means I don't have conviction. The question is that what you want to do? Yes. There is an argument for that, actually. That is stupid expensive, somebody said. So I'd be curious how much you're trading because I know for me, if I would have learned this 6 years ago and never used leverage to trade by hand, I would have saved exponentially more than this. It's actually laughable. So, I totally understand if you're trading $10, it might be expensive, but I would argue that this is going to show you one of the most valuable skills you could ever have. And you'll be able to use AI to build for the rest of your life, unlike other people. So not only are you going to learn exactly how to get trading bots live, and be able to automate your trading for the rest of your life. But on top of that, you'll be able to build whatever else you want to build. So expensive is just a different mindset, really. Because I think it's expensive to keep trading by hand. But maybe it's different for you. I don't know about you, but for me, trading by hand is very expensive. I actually had an example of that yesterday. I literally came on here yesterday and I said it was a sure bet on Polymarket that they will not come to a deal by the 7th. And it literally was wrong. I was wrong. I lost a bunch of money and I tried to give it my full size. My full size was $1,000. Literally yesterday, the person that you're watching, I tried to put $1,000 on that they will not have a ceasefire by April 7th. I don't know how I ended up only putting 300 down, but I lost every cent. That's why I don't think this is expensive at all. On a small testing account, I almost lost $1,000. He says he lost 20K and 10K. This ain't expensive. It's way beyond trading, Mr. Lou says. It's a revolution in technology. We are so blessed to be here at this time, dude. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. How do I make this so it just goes, bruh? I'm excited for our. We got so much opportunity in front of us. We can build anything. But that's why I get so sensitive, dude. I get so sensitive about people like taking me down this fucking pen testing route. Like, I just burnt 2 hours talking about that bullshit. And it's not bullshit. That's the thing. I get it. I get it. It's not bullshit. It's not bullshit. I don't want to like discredit how important security is because I did get hacked. So I'm literally just like bad business strategy on my end for not pen testing. But I would argue that I'm much further along because I didn't spend every day doing that. And I'm lucky. I'm lucky I didn't get hacked for a bigger amount because if it was a bigger amount, then this might be an entirely different conversation. I might be like everybody else, where it's just I'm gonna spend all my time fucking testing shit. But we're different, you know? Like a pen tester is also gonna test on paper accounts, and that's totally a great strategy. Paper test, paper trade. I don't do that. Don't do that. That's not your strategy. Is we got different strategies, you know, different risk profiles. Okay. This is crazy here without the auto action. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. My polys are doing fine. They're doing fine. I like the sports. They're doing good. They're doing fine. They're doing fine. I don't want to give a number to things as I'm not doing report cards. You'll see me though. You'll see where I build. And I think that's the biggest indicator, right? Will it be easy to implement? I wouldn't say this stuff is easy, but it's not hard. You know, we're just standing here. We're just standing here coding, telling the AI what to do. The hard part is finding an edge. You're live on X? Yep. RPS, I am. I'm live everywhere. I just put them on ads. So feel free to join over there if you want an ad version of this. And that's the chill, free alternative. I just didn't want to turn my back on people. Like, you guys have been here the entire time. So much love to you. Thank you. And I went into these Zooms and it's like, this is a pretty good alternative. Just have a free version if you don't want to pay the $5. You're going to get a bunch of ads. 12 minutes, 24 minutes, 36 minutes. There's no API keys anymore. The only way to get the API key is to become a lifetime all access member. Thank you for asking, though. Much love to you. Did you do a Zoom on the sports bots? I'd be interested to see how different mine are than yours, as the way we think are obviously different. Yeah, I did. I built everything here, so it's all on YouTube. There's probably a short video of on YouTube, or check out the play section, live events. Okay, running model here. Okay, sweet. Signal is short, so it's staying in the short. All right, Jane, have a great day. Thank you for coming through. 777. All right, so I think that's Gucci. This is still going. What's going on? What's the percentage done here? Because I've had 3 ML models running this entire time. Da 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 da. Hard to give the exact percentage. 143 time. I'm gonna let it run all day. Fuck it. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Allah, always, shorty, always. Allah, Allah, Allah. Allow. Palau, mashallah. Thank you, bro. Mashallah to you too, dude. Great testimony. Thank you, Jesse. Thanks, bro. 777, dude. Are you in the US? How are you getting around Polymarket? Or what, bitch? Keith? Is this Keith? Is this Keith? If you get a like on your thing, I really take the time here to put likes in. I scroll down and I love all your shits. Muse Spark, huh? Alexander Wang. Yes, sir. It's only 11:10. I got 100 lighters on my dresser. Yes, sir. I'm over here clicking fucking buttons because it won't let me click it, change it. I don't know why. I got 25 lighters on my dresser. Yes, sir. Yeah, agents literally transacting with crypto rails. Ta-da. US Iran ceasefire. Cooked. Dude. Da-na-na-na-na, da-da, da-da. in lifetime now. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Shoot us an email and we'll get you the GitHubs, we'll get you the keys, all that good stuff. Moondev.com, or sorry, moon@algotradecamp.com. Just shoot us an email. We'll get you both GitHubs. As what you just joined is you get the Algo Trade Camp. You should see the first few videos already on that page. You're going to get the AI masterclasses unlocked for you as well. So that's a whole nother Discord page here. So we're going to add your roles to that on Discord, and it's going to unlock a bunch of new stuff. So once you get your roles unlocked, you can go ahead and try to use the public chat in order to say, I just joined. Maybe that's you. Maybe that's you. And then get it all set up here. You still need to send the email so we can get you the GitHub and the API keys. So welcome to the family, bro. Much love to you. Anybody else that does want to join in, you do get $300 off here. That's a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. My doggo is not feeling too good. I looked over there and she actually threw up a little bit. So I feel really bad that she's been over there for so long and she's not feeling too hot. So I'm going to go, I'll keep letting this go here. And I feel like we built this executor out, which is pretty good. Obviously I'm going to keep working on it, but I did upload it all to the GitHub. So I'm going to go take care of her. If I come back, it will just be on YouTube because it is quite the long day ahead of me. But I do need to go take care of my shorty. So let's see, git commit new. Thank you guys for coming through today. It was very fun. Very fun. Thank you. That shit's fun. Gotta optimize for fun, baby. Optimize for fun. You'll never be done. Thank you guys for all the fire in the chat. Much love to you guys, and I'll see you next time. Check out your emails, all that good stuff. 777. Thank you, Kate. Thank you, RPS. 777. Ingrid, good to see you. See you, Kelly. Peace. Much love to you guys.